Welcome to 3571 Summit Sky Boulevard in Eugene, Oregon. Step inside and you're greeted by a spacious foyer that connects the main living areas of the home. The living room is bright and comfortable, making it a great place to relax or spend time with family and friends. The living room flows into the kitchen, which offers plenty of counter space, storage, and a gas range for those who enjoy cooking. Just off the kitchen is the dining area. The primary bedroom is located on the main level and offers a quiet place to unwind at the end of the day. Connected to the bedroom is a walk-in closet and a primary bathroom featuring dual vanities and a jetted soaking tub. The laundry room is conveniently located nearby. Back near the front entry is a dedicated office. Across from the office is the half bathroom. Upstairs, the bonus room adds extra living space and can be used however best fits your needs. The first bedroom features a large walk-in closet. The full bathroom features dual vanities. The final bedroom completes the upstairs living area. We'll finish the tour outside on the covered back patio and backyard, a great place to enjoy summer evenings or spend time with friends and family. Thank you for joining us on this tour of 3571 Summit Sky Boulevard in Eugene. For more information or to schedule a private showing, contact Gary Rays at 541-554-5825.